and we filled in those little gaps. It's a bit like colouring in this style of stitching. So when you're filling in your extra lines, you can put your needle in between two of the threads. That way you don't get a lot of the loose ends, they kind of blend in together. And you can come up between two threads, go back down. That way they're much more blended. And we want to keep that similar flow, so follow the direction of the stitches next to it.